Hey y'all, I'm Chef Mimi J, and today I'm going to show you how to make crawfish etouffee. To start, I'm going to add 2 of these hot beef sausage links and ground them up and brown them in the pan. To that same pan, I'll add onions, celery, bell pepper, and eventually garlic. We'll let that sweat until it becomes somewhat soft and translucent, but I don't want to lose all the texture. Now you may or may not know this, but to make a roux, you use equal parts fat to flour. My fat of choice is butter in this particular recipe. We'll let the flour cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes somewhat brown. Here I am adding in my garlic, and I'm adding a little bit of liquid smoke to my chicken stock. With many amazing recipes, the key is patience. We're going to give this flour time to cook and get a nice roasty flavor. Just before I add my stock, I throw in a bay leaf, and now it's time to give it more time. Keep in mind, the longer the recipe simmers, the thicker your sauce will be. I season with fresh black pepper and this salt-free Creole seasoning. I like to control how much salt I put in my recipes. Now it's time to add in the crawfish tail, and I add boiled eggs because that's what my grandmother did. To garnish, I use fresh parsley and green onions. Now it's time to plate up. Traditionally, crawfish etouffee is served over either white rice or dirty rice. I'll use steamed white rice, and here we have it. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe.